This is an expert guided action plan for how to start a nonprofit. There are so many important steps to starting a nonprofit that you may or may not be aware of. And we've asked the experts. So, this action plan will take you through step by step exactly what you need to know. It'll have tips, videos, information as you go along, checklists, and even links to specific organizations that you're going to need to understand and interact with along the process. So, just like all of our guided action plans here on Life Cafe, if you find a step or something you're working on or you want to remember this video, just favorite them and they will be saved to your favorites page. And this is a really great tool we like to remind everyone about because it keeps everything you're working on at the top of your mind and you can remember right where you left off each time you go in and out of your action plan. So you can undo that at any time or flip over a card and add notes as you go. So treat it like a post it note. It's that easy and it'll automatically save it and you can flip it back over. So the notes will always be saved. If you wanted to take the hearts off, of course, it'll return it back to where it was originally found in the action plan. So as you go through all your milestones here on the left-hand side and the steps, you will see inside your tips and information and your videos. And at the top here, you'll see the local resources. So we understand that not everyone is in the same place in the United States starting their business or their nonprofit. So you'll want to find those local resources near you. So as I click on any local resource, it will auto populate and generate those local resource experts for you in your area. So I'm here in the San Francisco area, so it's going to auto populate those people here that I can reach out to for additional help or working with 101 locally. So this is a great way to connect with your local experts and know what type of expert you need to reach out to, as well as what you need to talk to them about, what your questions should be. It's a great starting point. And as always, you can still like those experts and save them so you remember who you're scheduling meetings with and write notes on the back of the card about your meetings. So we hope that this really helps your nonprofit have a successful mission and launch and also stay compliant throughout the entire process of the non for profit. So thank you so much for paying it forward and helping others. And anything we can do on Life Cafe to help you with your cause, build awareness, please reach out to us for a free action plan. And you can create your own action plans for others to follow as well. Have a wonderful day and good luck with starting your nonprofit using Life Cafe guided action plans.